What's up, man? What's up? You gotta be Verizon. You gotta be Verizon, man. You came here too quick. Yep, that's me. Verizon, the fastest speed anybody can get. But you pretty fast yourself, though. You pretty fast yourself, AT&T. Yeah, you can see I'm pretty fast. You know, I ain't too fast, you know, but I'm up there. You know, I ain't up there with you though. Sound like.
Right, Verizon is the best. And there's my carrier.
Who that?
Why does he have this down to a T?
What's your name, man? T. Bro, that's T-Mobile, man. It's T-Mobile. I should have known. Slow as hell. I should have known. Mo. Bo. It's crazy how we be slowing down our connection on purpose, just to mess with our consumers. These other companies' connection just really be slow. That junk is crazy. Like, they really be doing that. Junk is crazy. That junk ain't sad. Look at him. It gotta be done, man. It gotta be done. Let me go mess up Lenarr Wi-Fi real quick. Hold on, don't do that, man. Don't do that, man, like that. Gosh, man, dang, bro. What? Verizon, bro. What's up? Oh my fucking God. Verizon, what is up with the internet? Bro, put it back, bro. Put it back, man. Gosh, man, what's wrong with the internet, bro? My LTE not even working, man. Let me turn it back on. Let me turn it back on before you call Verizon. Now that junk wanna work. Now I wanna work. Alright. You know what? That's crazy. Now I wanna work. Yo.
At least you don't got T-Mobile.
What was that? Bro, what was that? Bro, what is going on, bro? What is this? What provider is this? Okay, that gotta be Sprint, because that service is non-existent. The way he glitching right now, yeah, that gotta be Sprint. That has to be Sprint. You lagging, bro. You lagging. This really sucks. What's up? Yeah, we can't hear a word you saying right now. Can y'all hear me now? Alright, bro, we can hear you now, man. Thank God. What's up, man? Alright, man. I'm out, bro. I'm out. I can't.
He had that down to a T. And I have trash T-Mobile. Dang, did me dirty. But alright guys, y'all have a good night. I'm done uploading. I'm done uploading for tonight. I'll catch y'all tomorrow or the next day.